Did you know that Cleopatra, the legendary last pharaoh of ancient Egypt, lived closer in time to the launch of the first iPhone than she did to the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza? It's a mind-bending fact that completely reshapes our perception of history. The Great Pyramid, a monument to ancient engineering, was largely completed around 2560 BCE. Cleopatra, on the other hand, was born in 69 BCE and reigned until 30 BCE. This means that when Cleopatra walked the earth, the pyramids had already stood for over 2,500 years, a span longer than the entire history from ancient Rome to today. But here's an even more astonishing temporal overlap. Woolly mammoths were still roaming the earth when the Great Pyramid was already standing tall. The last isolated populations of these majestic creatures on Wrangel Island went extinct around 2000 BCE, centuries after the pyramids were built. Imagine ancient Egyptians building colossal structures while mammoths grazed in distant lands. And speaking of surprising timelines, did you know that Oxford University, one of the world's oldest and most prestigious institutions, is actually older than the Aztec Empire? While teaching at Oxford dates back to at least 1096 CE, the Aztec Empire's formation through the Triple Alliance began in 1428 CE. When scholars were debating in Oxford's hallowed halls, the mighty Aztec civilization was still centuries away from its rise in Mesoamerica. These incredible temporal paradoxes remind us that history isn't a simple linear march. It's a vast, interconnected tapestry where ancient pasts and modern eras can be surprisingly close, and seemingly distant events can overlap in astonishing, mind-bending ways. Want to learn more fascinating facts that will change your perspective? Visit Sikho.ai.